And as I'm solving this, if you know how to get to the answer, you can solve those. Okay? That way your time will not be wasted. Okay, so guys, this is a NCERT question. NCERT. Okay, this is an NCERT question. The next question is also going to be an NCERT question. Okay, so I'll write the rest of the questions here. Okay, cos negative root 3 upon 2. Okay. Upon 2. Okay. Okay. Sine negative half. Okay. And negative half. Okay. And tan negative 1 upon 2, 3. Okay guys, so this is an NCERT question. This is NCERT question as well as a CBSE 2011 question, and this one here, okay, is a random question. So this was CBSE 2011. Okay, so once you solve this, you can move on to them. Okay, so now let's solve this one. Okay, so guys, the first step, I'm sure you already know what the first step is. Okay, I'm sure you already know what the first step is, guys. Okay, so this is the first step, guys. Theta. Okay, and then you have cosec theta equals negative root 2. Okay guys, so what do you do here? What do you do here? Just have a think about it. Okay? Just have a think about it. What you have to do there. Okay. Just have a. Okay. So guys, now remember that what is sine 30? That's what you have to do. So here you have this. Okay, so you don't have to worry about the negative here. You don't have to worry about the negative here. Cosec. Okay. Okay, over here you don't have to worry about the negative. Okay, don't worry about the negative here. Okay. Now guys, don't worry about the negative. So now guys, there's one more thing I want you to be careful. I've made a mistake which I just realized. I've made a mistake. Guys, this is not negative 2. This is negative root 2. So I've just made a mistake here. अब देख लो guys, जल्दबाजी में मैंने भी देख लो क्या करा. किस बुक में लिखा है कि सिर्फ स्टूडेंट्स गलतियां करते हैं, हम टीचर्स भी गलतियां करते हैं. We are all human. We all make mistakes. So this is what it is. Okay, it was good. It was good on me, on my presence of mind कि मेरे को पता चल गया. नहीं तो मैं गलत कर देता, फिर आपको लगता पता नहीं क्या होगा. Okay? So now what do you do here? Now what do you do here, guys? Okay, so guys, this is your answer. Okay, so now I want you to try it. So guys, here this is a root. Okay, root 3 upon 2. Okay, root 3. Okay, so I want you to try all of those. Okay, I want you to try all of those. Okay, so okay, so I hope you are taking this down as well. Guys, I hope you're making notes. Okay, it's very important that you take note of this. Okay, I hope you're taking all of this down, guys. Otherwise, I don't know what's gonna happen to you. Okay, so is that, wait, there is, yes, I was just checking if that's cos or cosec. Okay, so now let's do this one. Negative root 3 upon 2. Okay, so this is a very easy one. So now remember, guys, that we don't have to, okay, so now we have to worry about the negative. just came across my mind. Okay, so now this question is a little tricky. So guys, you have cos negative 1 3 upon 2, okay, equals theta, okay, and then you have cos theta equals root 3 upon 2, okay. That's the first step. So what is the next step, guys? The next step here is this, okay, negative pi upon 6, okay, negative pi upon 6, okay. So now remember one thing, guys, that the range of this is from 0 to pi in a closed interval, okay. So what do we do here now? What do we do here? That's what you have to keep in mind. Okay, that's what you have to keep in mind. And remember, guys, it is negative. So remember what we did in the previous problem? Okay? In one of the previous problems, what did we do? So this is what we did, right? So we took out the negative first of all, and then we do this. Okay? And then you get negative pi upon 6. Okay? You get negative pi upon 6. Remember why you get this? Okay? Remember in class 11 when you learned trigonometric functions, so you might have learned the functions of allied angles. So you're gonna have to start remembering that again. If you don't know that, you're doomed. Now, if you're someone who just cannot remember the allied angles of trigonometric functions, no problem. There's a topic in complex numbers, where you learn about the arc and plane. And I already told you that in the first quadrant it's A, in the second it's A minus pi, in the third one it's pi minus A, and in the fourth one it is 2A, okay? 2A or 2A minus pi, okay? You'll have to check the fourth one, I don't exactly remember, even I get confused. होता है when you don't look at a topic for a long time, आप भूल जाते हो. So if you don't remember allied angles, then that's the alternative way. अगर आप याद करोगे आपको कुछ नहीं समझ आएगा, लेकिन अगर आप समझोगे तो आपको ये भी समझ में आ जाएगा कि अगर इस तरह मैं याद नहीं कर सकता तो उस तरह तो याद हो ही जाएगा या मैं कर लूँगा. Okay? So now negative and negative become positive. Okay? So now let's do it here. So you have cos theta. Okay, cos pi by 6. Okay, and then theta here equals pi by 6. Now before I move on to these two questions, now what you can do is you can start attempting these two questions now. Now guys, as I proceed, there's one thing I want to tell you, that I do my best to make my videos error free. Okay, I do my best. But as a human, some errors might just go unnoticed. So if you see any error, then please guys don't hesitate. Write it in the comments. Okay, comments में mention कीजिए. Okay, guys ये मत सोचो कि मेरी गलती निकाल के आप बहुत छोटे हो गए. Don't think that. ये तो इंडिया में सिखाते हैं. बड़े गलती अगर करते भी हैं तो कुछ मत बोलो, है ना. बट मैथ्स में ऐसा नहीं होता, ठीक है. मैथ्स में कोई भी गलती कर सकता है. सो इफ एनी मिस्टेक गोज अननोटिस्ड बाय मी इन माय वीडियोस, कमेंट्स में आप लिख दो, और जितने भी लोगों को आप भेज सकते हो भेज दो कि because guys, there are many people on YouTube who are not, who are just learning maths, and they'll take it for granted that I am doing it error free. Okay, so I hope you've attempted both of those questions. I am coming to them now. Okay, I'm coming to them now. Okay, so let's do this one now. Let's do sine negative half. Okay. So guys, sine negative half is very easy. Okay. Sine negative half is equal to theta. Okay. So then you have sine theta. Okay. So now guys, here we don't have to worry about negatives. Okay, यार negatives की तो आपको टेंशन लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, because we know what the range is. Excuse me, we know what the range is here, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so basically this is solved. You can't take this any further, basically. Okay, so theta is this. Okay, now remember guys, this is an NCERT question as well as a CBSE 2011 question. Yes, CBSE 2011, this one. Okay, it's not, it's not that hard. It's not that hard guys. This question में इतना दम है नहीं. So I hope now you've started solving. Okay, and I hope you've taken this down. Guys, if you really want to be good in mathematics, you have to take everything down that you're being taught. We take it for granted that we'll go home, we'll look in the textbook, or we'll look at our previous notes, and then when we revise, we're like, oh my god, galti kar. So take down as much as you can. So guys, whenever I'm speaking and I'm not writing, I'm just assuming that you're taking this down. So I'm not going to keep on saying it again that, take this down. It's something I assume you'll be doing. Okay, so I hope you've taken it down. Okay, so let's move on to the next question.